All right, let's dive into the invisible forces that are literally shaping your world right now. We're going to connect everything from why your keys drop to the ground.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how you can create video overview by using NotebookLM. It's really simple and very attractive. And before that, I will talk about NotebookLM, which is an AI-powered research and note-taking tools by Google, and that can help you to understand and work with your own documents. It's not like other browsing web. It will read your document that you uploaded here, like PDF, text, and notes, etc. So without wasting any time, let's go and we will start right now how we can use it. Simply search in a Google NotebookLM and then click on the first option, and then you can see there is NotebookLM on your screen. Understand anything, so just click on try NotebookLM, and then it will look like this. So now you have multiple options, so simply click on create new. Now you can see there is search bar, and below search bar there is 4 options: upload file, website, and you can upload drive link and also copy text. But above this there is a search bar where you can write what you want, and also you can upload file. So I will click on upload file that I already prepared for NotebookLM. I will upload it here, and it will take a while. Now you can see here is the summary of my file. So now you can see below the summary there is a search bar. You can see text box where I can write and I talk to NotebookLM like AI, and it will give me information, and it can give a shape to my text if that is not an organized shape. So what I can do, if I think that now it's okay for me, so I will simply click on video overview. So when you click on video overview, now you can see you have multiple options when it comes to video formatting. So now you have explainer option, brief, and also you can choose language for your video like English and other. If you don't want to make a video in English, so you can choose another language as well. Besides that, you also have options to give visual style to your video, and that will make your video more attractive. When it comes to visual style, you have auto selected option and also custom, classic, whiteboard, and multiple options over there. So you can choose anyone that you want. It's completely depend on you. So if you want, you can choose it from here. So for example, for my video, I want to go with the anime option. So I will click on that, and from above I will choose explainer and then click on generate. So it will take a while because they are going to create video according to my text that I write here, and you can see the file that I upload to NotebookLM. So after a while you can see my video is just ready, and I will show you how it's look like. So I will simply click on this. So the topic that I gave here, that was about gravity, weight, and pressure. So now you can see video is ready. It's really look attractive.
All right, let's dive into the invisible forces that are literally shaping your world right now. We're going to connect everything from why your keys drop to the ground to how a massive ship can float on the ocean.
So the video is completely according to my requirement. You can adjust everything in your video if you want according to your text and requirement. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your time. See you in next video. Have a good day.